can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I would.
What's good, YouTube? It's Skylar.Imani back with another video for you guys. And tonight I will be making a video on how I do my slick back buns. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, cause you know, yeah, why not? Cause I'm cute. So let's get into the video. Well guys, so first I'm gonna take my hair out. I wet it, so that's the reason why it looks like this. And don't mind the chair, but I'm going to be, I'm brushing it with my dipping brush. So basically, yeah, do that. Go in with my favorite hair products. Put it in my hair. If you guys see me looking up, it's because I'm looking into my mirror. And I'm going in my spray bottle just to wet it up. And I have like a little bit of conditioner in this spray bottle. I don't know, I love conditioner. I was thinking, should I do a middle part or a side part? But I guess I'm just doing middle part since my hair is already parted in the middle. Cause that's how I do it when I'm in the shower anyway. Alright. Y'all really gotta find hair products though that fit my hair, because I feel like these products just be sitting on my hair. It doesn't really like absorb in it, I guess, because my hair, like, even though it looks moisturized, it be frizzy. Not like that. But I basically like just brush the product through my hair, because I don't really like using a whole bunch of gel. Like, I really don't. So like, I'll put like conditioner in my hair, because I could slick my hair with just conditioner. And if I want it to be extra sleek, then I'll do it with gel. See, like, some pieces be like moisturized, and then some pieces, they just be, I don't know. Like, at all. Ooh, hang time. Hey, it's lit. What I do next is I take, I make sure my part is straight. And for everybody, if you want to learn how to get like a straight part, like line up the comb with like your nose like this and go straight up like that. So yeah, I just put a lot of products in my hair just because, I don't know, I just like products. My next product, and this one's kind of watery, so like I just do it like this, and then like put it on my hair like that. And then I just rake it through my hair like this. And then I do the same thing on the other side. I don't know, this side of my hair, or these pieces, seem to get more defined. If all my hair could do what the front of my hair does right here, I would be a happy person. My next thing is, I got like 3 more hair products I put in my hair. Next thing, and then after this one, I just have one more. And my last one. The product to make sure the product is saturated. And I really think it's time for me to clip my ends, because if you're a curly girl and you're like, I don't know when to cut my ends, basically to know when you have to cut your ends is like if you comb or brush through your hair and then 5 minutes later it's like tangly again, that basically means it's time to clip your ends, because you probably have like a whole bunch of like single strand knots. I don't trust anybody with my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in 3 years, and so I'm really scared to straighten it, because I feel like I'm gonna get heat damage, because my hair is really soft. Like I can't even really blow dry my hair, otherwise it'll get heat damage. So yeah, and then not only that, my ends look dry right here. So I'm gonna tell y'all something. I used to have heat damage, but I saved my hair. Like I didn't even really cut my hair. Like there's a secret to saving damaged hair, I swear it is, because I used to have straight pieces in my hair, and the secret is moisturizing. Stop straightening, stop using heat, all of that. Like that's a huge secret. But anyways, okay, so this part is done. Hang time looks good, girl. Like yes, girl, yes. Bald who? Bald where? Where? Okay, let me stop on it. So the next thing is, now I wet it just a little bit more. I just like wetting it, I don't know. I could probably do a wash and go for y'all, but not today, not today. So then I go in with my hard brush and I kind of smooth everything down. So basically, I go like this. See, I told y'all, sleekness right there, period. So my first thing is I sleek all my hair like this, so I can see how it's gonna look. This part right here, I comb out so that I could define my curls, basically. I will brush my hair till kingdom come, y'all, I swear. I will let dead serious like be in the bathroom for an hour doing my hair. Like, you want to take me out, you gotta call me like 3 hours. 3 hours in advance. So then I take my scrunchie and then I tie my hair up like this. And then this part right here, I do like that. But I'm not officially done just yet. Because of course, you know, baby girl gotta have edges. So I just pull my edges out like this. This is not, baby girl, this is not edges. I still have actual edges, like actual baby hairs, like, see? So I don't be using long pieces of hair for edges. Like, I don't understand why girls do that. I guess for a more dramatic look, maybe. What I go through next, because I told you I was gonna use gel. And I go through and then basically put some on my hand, and I put the gel like this on my actual hair while it's still in the bun. I like to play with them because sometimes like I'll just see what I want that day. I don't necessarily have like a specific way I do my baby hair. I just kind of do them or whatever. And I swear this in itself takes a really long time because I'm very picky about how the hair looks. And then I use like the comb part to get it more like sleeky. I don't know the word for that. And sometimes I'll do them and I don't even like it. I didn't like how you could see my skin. It makes it look like I'm bald. I'll just sit there and play with them until kingdom come. How does it look?
You asking me?
If I want to look extra cute, I'll take like my little twisties here, and I'll take like a small one. And usually I have like product on my hand or whatever, so I'll take that product that's on my hand and like just do like that, and then my hair will naturally twist. So then I'll take this back out, and I have to be careful to take it out because the product is in it. So sometimes my scrunchie will pull the product down and push it on the floor. So now that everything is like to its liking up here, I take my brush, my hard one, and I brush everything. I straighten out everything with my brush so that we could work on sleeking everything out. So this side is sleeked to the gods. And then do the same thing on the other side. Oh sis, yes girl. Y'all, if y'all look at this tutorial, you will most definitely be sleek to the gods. Y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Like, so like if I have to do like tweaks or whatever, I put my hair back into the bun. I would, like I did the first time. All about presentation. I swear, when I do my hair, it's the most clumsiest process ever. I wish YouTube didn't copyright stuff, because I'll be usually listening to music, doing my hair. Y'all, when I tell you it only took me 30 minutes to do this, that's a record, cause I be in this bathroom for hours. We are sleeped out, period. Out here in the snatch people, uncles and daddies with our edges. Yes, sis. You know, it's a little something. Y'all, I'm corny, I know. I'm a talker, like I will talk y'all ear off for real. Cause I don't got friends for real. Like one of my friends is in Alabama, the other one, she be working a lot. So I don't be having nobody to talk to. So y'all be my friend. My hair is not thin. I think it's just soft, like it's so soft. So like when I be doing edges and stuff, I gotta be like real like careful the way I do it. Otherwise it'll look like I'm balding in some spots. And I just don't agree with that, like, at all. Because I'm not balding, sis. Hair is flourishing. Like, if y'all go check out my Space Bun video, my hair has done a complete 360. Cause, woo child, when I did that one, that was not it. I sleeked it how I wanted. Well, I did my edges the way I wanted to. So then what I do next is, for like the third time, take my hard brush just to make sure everything is laid out, because when I do my edges and stuff, when my hair is still in my bun, it creates tension and makes your hair like basically come out in some spots. Then I take this, and this time I do it a little bit tighter. Just a little bit, because I don't like my buns tight anyway, because it gives me a headache. But I just do it until like a little bit before it can't go anymore. And then I don't pull it all the way through to make it like a ponytail or whatever. And then I pull like the hair that's like sticking out, and I'll just like play with it until it looks messy enough. Or sometimes what I'll do is this. My other version of making it look like a messy bun is I will let it like hang like this, and then I'll go like this. I'll take my hair and I'll wrap it like that, just so for video purposes. And I bite it, and then I take it like this, and then I'll do like that. And then in the back is this is what it looks like. But you get the gist. I gotta sleek my hair one more time since I kind of messed it up. And sleek. Then I go back with my scrunchie again. This part, like I said, because sometimes the product will make my hair like curl up a lot. Like this is like curling up a lot, so I waited a little bit to get some of that product off, and then I do like that, and then I do it with the same way with the other side. And to be honest, y'all, I call this my Spanish mommy. I don't know why. I don't know where I got that from. We're done. Here's what it looks like in the back. And so we are officially done with my sleek ponytail, or bun rather. This is really a bun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment below what you want to see next. And yeah, like, I'm trying to get used to recording stuff, and sometimes I'll be nervous. Like this video, comment, subscribe. I know I said that already, and I'm gonna say it again, because who gonna check me? Nobody. And I hope you guys really liked it. I really hope you guys like it. And please tell me what you want to see. I'll do hairstyles, I'll do anything. Tune into my next video. Skylar.Imani signing out.